Yo, what's up everybody? It's Superior Chevy here, and you know I'm always coming with the hits, okay? Today we are gonna go over my favorite car. You guys know this is my favorite car of all time, the 71 Chevy Vert, okay, on 26-inch gold Savinis. We're gonna go over all of the super cool features of this hot baby and more, okay? So, I'm excited, let's check it out. Alright you guys, so I'm here with the owner of this beautiful baby, BJB Money, my good friend. How are you doing?
I'm doing good, I'm doing good.
Yes, it's a beautiful day out here. It feels really good, okay? And I would love to go over your beautiful car. First off, this is actually my favorite car, 71 Chevy Vert, okay? Obviously from where I'm from, I like cars like this. Tell me, why did you go with this car, and how long you've been in the car game? Because people don't know you've been doing this for a long time.
Well, I've been in the car game about a good 25, 30 years.
Wow.
Built several cars. I had a 73 a long time ago, but then 71 has been just one of the cars I've sorted out of, and you know, it's what they say, the grandfather of the donks, you feel me? But I just like the car, and I built the car for my specs, you know. What can I say? It's one of my favorite cars of all time.
Yes.
71 Impala.
How could you not like it, okay? How could you not like this beautiful baby? This is a classic. And then you went white. And tell me why you went with this white color, super clean.
Well, I don't think anybody ever, I mean, this is a custom paint white that we mixed. And I think white on anything, if you do it the right way, it makes the car pop.
Yes, yes. And I've seen white dogs, but not this, like, clean, like it's super clean. Looks really good. I love how you did the red to go stripe here to go with, you know, obviously everything else, and then you did the red top. That looks great. You have gold accents, okay, gold on your mirrors, gold on the doors, and they can match with your beautiful Savinis here. You went with Savinis, okay, and you went with 6s, so you did tell me that instead of going like 8s, you will have to cut. And so that's the reason why you decided to go 6s.
Yes, just a better ride, better flow to the car, and you know, it keeps it kind of standard. You don't have to cut anything. Yes.
And then why Savinis? Why not like 4Gs and others?
I like to be different. That's one thing about me. I like to be different. I mean, everybody don't realize that, you know, everybody like 4Giatos. It's a name brand. Savini is also a name brand. The cost is probably more, but it's just something that I like. All my cars have Savinis on them.
Yes. And just to let you guys know, okay, if you are one of my lovely, trusted, and, you know, subscribers, you've been subscribed to me for a long time, you guys know that I've done a Vert before, and it was black. I was in Atlanta, and this is the lovely brother of that nice gentleman, and you guys, he was talking about him the whole entire time, which is funny. So if you go back and watch that video, he was actually talking about his brother BJ here. So I want to know what's going on up under your hood, okay? Because listen, the way you cranking it up, it sounds great. Can you pop the hood for us?
Yeah, I'll show you what's underneath this hood here.
Yes. And you know, even before we've gone, oh my God, jeez, it's godly up under here. Oh my gosh, what's going on up under here? Tell us.
This is a LS7, but a custom built 440 dart block, forged internals. everything billet, everything underneath here bigger, so you know this baby ready to haul ass. I mean, you probably get natural aspirated, it should be able to do at least 650, 670.
You know.
To the wheels, I got it dynoed at about 530 right now, so hey, she ready to go. And she wired for boost if we needed to put a supercharge on it, twin turbos. It's fabricated, everything's behind the dash, so it's an easy plug and play for this motor.
Yes, oh my gosh, and it's just like the setup. I hate to compare you guys because both you and your brother, you guys have stunning cars. Okay, he's just the same thing. Plug in, is ready to go if he wanted to do the twin turbo. So that's super cool. It looks super godly and clean up on here. Look how clean it is, you guys. Looks good. Okay, and then billet everything, which is why everything is shining. Okay?
Yes.
That's why everything's shining, all these chrome pieces. Oh my gosh, like this is custom. G's down to the down. Okay, you was not playing. You built this from the ground up.
Yeah, I gotta give a shout out to my mechanic, Big Time Electric, Chunky, real name Brandon, a shout out to Talent Tony and Killing Forte for helping putting this car together for me from ground up. And then my fabricator is Steve, he did an amazing job on getting everything done. The upholstery was done by Antioch Upholstery. They did an amazing job.
Yes.
So, hey, just shout out to my team who helped put this car together and got me on point. And also unique sounds. Gotta give unique sounds for the music he did in the trunk, which you'll see here later. But just those people there, they really know how to perform and get down and do what they need to do.
And they did an outstanding job. Look how everything is just like all together, looks great. And I mean, just even down to the outside, obviously your motor's outstanding. This is why it sounds great when you crank it up. But you have a beautiful grille here, okay, with the Impala sign, gold, okay, everything looks good, gold trimming, and then you have the red lights. So these lights obviously change colors.
Yes.
So, but you keep it red.
I keep it red because it matches the car.
Exactly, yes. Oh my God, with the California Cali tag. And then if you guys actually pay attention, okay, he has gold windshield wipers. And a lot of y'all ain't got no windshield wipers on y'all ducks, okay, back at home. Y'all need to start taking some lesson from these Cali people, okay? They know what they doing. You have the gold accents up here. Look how beautiful that is. Oh my gosh, and it's so clean. Matches perfectly with the car. Oh my gosh, this is my favorite car, you guys. I'm just like, oh my gosh, just going crazy. And then you have music in your trunk, right?
Yes.
Okay, so. Yes. I do want to go, before we go to the inside, I want to see what's going on in your trunk.
Well, the trunk was done by Unique Sounds.
Yeah.
Everything, done Memphis.
Oh my God.
With Taramp amps and Alpine amps for the highs and subs. Taramp amp.
Oh my goodness. First off, okay, y'all didn't even hear the trunk open, right? Okay, exactly. Well, just so quiet. So nice and clean and beautiful. This is great. Unique Sounds did a great job on this box, okay? Filled up the trunk.
Yes, he did a great job making sure that, and he made sure that this one that I would say, most people like the rattling sound. This thing slaps and you don't hear all that rattling and noise and where it can tear your car up and break everything. So he did an amazing job.
Yeah, what size do you have back here?
These are 312s.
312.
Mojo 12s.
Okay, wow. Gosh, and this box, it lights up as well.
Yes, it's lit up now. You can't see it because of the daytime,
I can see it here.
But yeah, it's the whole box. The whole box and then the interior of the car lights up.
Yes. Oh my God, beautiful. Yes. Oh my gosh. And then trunks painted, looks great. Everything is just beautiful. Oh my gosh, just absolutely stunning. And then going to the inside. Oh my gosh. Oh.
You see how easy she opens up that door?
What? Okay, you don't hear no squeaking, no none of that. Look at how beautiful this is. I didn't even want to I don't even want to touch the inside, but you said you had a upholstery. They did this, and it looks great. I love this. This is different.
This was done by RK305 out of Florida. One of my guys. Like I said, I met him through one of my brothers, and he looked at the car and made some recommendations and came up with all these great patterns to put inside the car.
Yes.
I mean, as far as the wood grain here, the wood grain on the dash, the wood grain in the back, all my kick panels, the panels in the back. He did an amazing job.
Outstanding, outstanding. And what really got me was the simple fact that your gold accents, I mean, down to the T, you guys, down to the T, down to the seatbelt holder, okay? Listen, this is the seatbelt holder is gold, okay? And then look at this, gold. You gotta literally look at all these pieces. This is a clean 70. This is a clean. When I say be clean, this is clean. You know what? You know what's funny, you guys? Out here, they have like this saying of, oh, they whooping your ass or you getting an ass whooping. That's really saying like, oh, like the car is a hit. Like, you know, it looks really good. But listen, back at home, this car whooping y'all ass. And y'all got to tighten up because this is beautiful. Oh my gosh, even the brake release, look at that. That's crazy. Everything looks outstanding. And I would love to go for a ride. Can we go for a ride?
Yeah, for sure.
All right, let's go.
For sure.
This is so beautiful in here that I don't even want to like. So we're in your beautiful car. It is absolutely stunning in here. Oh my gosh, the seats. So these are like actual individual seats, like you see in car or captain seats.
Yes, these are bucket seats. Custom built console.
Yes. Oh
everything, you know, got digital lights in it.
Yeah.
Pioneer system deck with all Memphis speakers.
Oh,
custom
wow.
digital dash. All of the wood grain and kick panels are all done by 305 Arcade out of Florida.
Yes. My people, listen, this is beautiful. I love the inside. I love how you did just the same thing as the outside, brought it in the inside. So you have the gold accents, the gold trimming. And then obviously, what's a good Vert without, like, you know, a steering wheel, right? So you have your steering wheel done. And I love it. When I instantly saw this, I was like, oh my gosh, I have to walk up to you and ask you if I can review because this is like a real exclusive. So, and I like the idea of the fact that you have that 2021 feel. Like you said, everything that a Benz got is inside of this Vert, which is true, you guys, because like you literally walk away from your car and locks and all kind of stuff, and then you have digital dash.
Yep. No, it's keyless entry, keyless drive.
Oh my God, keyless.
Everything is touch.
Oh, that's so cool. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. And then you have speakers everywhere. Oh my
speakers
God.
everywhere that are hid. You don't see the speakers, all you do
Yes.
is see the panels.
Right.
Full chargers. The one cool feature about this car is it also is ran off of a 440 LS7 dark block custom built, but it has a 6-speed transmission.
Wow.
And you can go to the shifter modes to shift the car manually like a stick.
Yes. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. Wow. What's the fastest you've ever been in this car? Or do you actually go fast?
Yesterday about 145.
145 yesterday?
Yes.
Wow. Oh my gosh. Now that's fast to me in this Vert. And so I'm noticing that you don't have like your usual button to let your, or you don't really.
Or I can let it down via my remote in my pocket.
So, oh, you have a remote to let it down. Oh my gosh. Absolutely stunning. I appreciate the ride. Thank you so much.
Oh, you're welcome.
right, you guys, so I have really enjoyed my time and really enjoyed my ride with my good friend BJ. If you've enjoyed this video and you like this whip, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on push notifications for me on your YouTube channel, please. And if you want to see any more pictures of this custom car or any other custom car in the nation and land, you know who to visit, aswiss.net. That's aswiss.net, don't you ever forget it. And until next time, I'm Superior Shelby, and I will check you guys' hits out next time. Peace! Hey, what's up everybody? Superior Shelby here, and I got a new hot product for y'all. Clean It Right Auto Care. That's right, Clean It Right Auto Care. This is their Rocky Road non-acid wheel cleaner. So it's particularly for rims like this, colored rims, brush face rims, whatever rims it is, but this will get your rims, give your rims a deep clean, and it actually smells kind of good for a wheel cleaner. So if you want to get some of this product or any other product out there that Clean It Right Auto has, make sure you visit their website, cleanmyrims.com, or just follow them on Instagram at Clean It Right Auto. See you guys soon. Peace!